In this video, you will learn how to use the countback strategy to find the difference between two numbers using counters and a number line. Before you give it a try, here are a few key things to remember. The greater number, the minuend, is always your starting point. It's the whole amount you are subtracting from. The amount you are subtracting or taking away from the whole is called the subtrahend. Start with a small subtraction problem to learn the strategy, like 7 minus 4. First, place 7 counters in a row to represent the minuend 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now count back the smaller number by removing 4 counters one at a time. As you remove each counter, say the number aloud: 6, 5, 4, 3. The last number you say, 3, is the difference. That means 7 minus 4 equals 3. Now try to solve the same problem, 7 minus 4, on a number line. Circle the minuend, the 7, on a number line labeled with helpful benchmark numbers. Next, count back 4 spaces by drawing one jump at a time along the top of the number line. 6, 5, 4, 3. The number you landed on, 3, is the difference. So 7 minus 4 equals 3. When you are comfortable using counters and a number line, try holding the greater number in your head and counting back mentally. This is a great next step for building math confidence and fluency. You can also use the countback strategy with larger numbers. Give it a try with 98 minus 27. Start at 98 and count back 27 in friendly chunks. Begin by counting back by tens. 98 minus 10 equals 88. 88 minus 10 equals 78. Now you have counted back 20. There are 7 more to go. Count back 7 from 78. 78 minus 7 equals 71. Remember to add up your jumps to make sure you subtracted the correct amount. 10 plus 10 plus 7 equals 27. You are right. That means 98 minus 27 equals 71. The countback strategy helps you subtract by thinking about how far back you need to go to reach the difference. You can use counters, number lines, or mental chunks, whichever works best for you. Keep practicing, and subtracting by counting back will start to make more sense with every jump you make. Keep building your subtraction skills, one strategy at a time. Find more math support at empowerec.com and subscribe for new strategy videos.